Ah, I guess it's this time of year again. Time to clean up some leaves. It's a lot better. So guys, this video is a little different than the pontoon build ones you've been seeing. The winter's coming and I'll still be working on the pontoon quite a bit to get it ready and maybe do some testing. But I don't want to leave you guys without any content to watch, so thinking about firing up the jet periodically over the winter and doing a series on stuff you want to see incinerated behind it. So leave a comment and maybe I'll drop something behind there. You know, Thanksgiving's coming up, a turkey might be fun to cook behind that thing. I'll mix in some of the pontoon build videos, maybe with some of these fun ones. So, I don't know. Guys, let me know what you think, and we'll just keep things interesting. Anyway, that's all I got for today. So, stay tuned. See you guys around.